COVID-19, something we never thought of, something we were not prepared for, something that will change our lives forever. Hi guys, welcome to the new vlog. In the current hard times, all the governments are taking necessary steps to combat this current situation, to sustain the novel coronavirus and its spread. But during these tough times, I would like to throw light upon the measures taken by the Canadian government on a federal as well as a provincial level to support its residents. All the people living in this country are being supported in one way or the other through the benefits which the government is coming up with every single day. And I'd like to tell you what are these benefits and how they are solving the issues and financial troubles and needs of its residents. Alright, so let's take a look at the measures taken by the Canadian government to financially and morally support its residents. Canada Emergency Response Benefit, a benefit which is given to the people who have lost their jobs due to COVID-19. This is a taxable benefit of $2,000 which is given every 4 weeks to the people who have lost their jobs due to COVID-19 for a 16-week period. This benefit covers everyone who is a resident of Canada, no matter if he is an immigrant, a citizen, or a Canadian PR. You can check if you are eligible for CERB through the link which I will give in description. When it comes to students in Canada, you all know that students make a large percentage of Canadian population. So the students who have come to Canada for their studies or who are Canadian citizens and who are studying in Canada, there is a recently announced benefit for you, Canada Emergency Student Benefit. Yes, so this benefit applies to you. If you are not eligible for CERB, you can apply for the Canada Emergency Student Benefit. The Canadian government announced a $9 billion fund for this student benefit, and under this benefit you will be getting $1,250 per month from the month of May to August. Details to apply for this benefit will be available soon and will be provided on the government website. Alright, so now we'll talk about the families who have children. For the families with children who are already eligible for Canada Child Benefit, the government will now provide up to $300 extra for the Canada Child Benefit. Increase in the goods and service tax credit payment. So many of you might have noticed that starting April 9th, you might be getting in your bank accounts an additional GST credit. Yes, that additional GST credit was given by the Canadian government specially to cater to the needs of the current situation. It is a one-time special payment to all the people who have low or modest incomes, and this GST credit was made to all the people who filed for their income taxes in the year 2019. They will automatically be getting this payment into their bank accounts. If we talk about the mortgage support, the payments of your loans, how would you deal with the payments of your loans in the current scenario? The Canadian banks have committed to support their customers and help them in these crucial times. This mortgage support includes the lenders to defer their payments of their loans for up to 6 months. Yes, if you have any loan on you, you can defer the payments along with the interest for up to 6 months. And do not worry, this is not going to have any effect on your credit scores. The banks will ensure that this is not going to affect your credit scores in any way. The deferring of the payments also includes the payment on your credit cards, and if you have taken any auto loans, it also includes that. There are certain banks who are also waiving off some of their fees, like fees on ATM withdrawals or some fees which the banks charge for their other services. So you can go to your bank's official website to know more details. Extra time to file your income tax. So the Canadian government has now extended the income tax filing deadline to 1st of June. And moreover, if there is any income tax due on your part, you can defer the payment up to 31st of August without any penalties. Now let's talk about the businesses. There are certain businesses which are very hard hit by the current pandemic and which have suffered a lot of loss. So a benefit named Canada Emergency Wage Subsidy has been introduced by the Canadian government. This is going to support the employers who are hardest hit by the pandemic. This subsidy covers up to 75% of the employee's wages for a period of 12 weeks. Canada Emergency Business Account. This is an account which provides interest-free loans for up to $40,000 to small businesses to cover their operating expenses in the current times. All this is based on certain eligibility criteria which is available on the government website. Alright, so this was mostly for the people in general, for the individuals, for the immigrants, for the students who are in Canada. These are the benefits you can take advantage of. But if we talk about the other people, especially the seniors who are most hardly hit by the current pandemic, what the government is doing for them. So I'd like to know that the Canadian government has taken very good measures for the seniors. An amount of $9 million has been contributed to the local organizations to take care of the senior citizens. These local organizations will support practical services for the senior citizens, practical services like delivering them groceries on time, delivering them their medications, and many more services. Apart from that, this amount is also contributed towards the senior citizens' homes because special care needs to be taken for the senior citizens during the current times. Apart from this, there are a lot of other benefits which are provided by the Canadian government to its citizens, permanent residents, and the immigrants. And the Canadian government is really working hard every day to cope up with the situation, to take care of the needs of its residents. And I am very thankful to the Canadian government for giving us so many benefits during these current crucial times. Alright guys, so I hope today's vlog would have some information for you and you would benefit with the information which I gave. And thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like and comment if you want to know anything else, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And I'll see you then in the next vlog. Bye.